Alright, welcome. We're picking up the plane after maintenance. I'm going to show you guys. Well, I got my logbook out. We looked at it. I'm going to put this back in. Put this back in here. I didn't put my wheel covers on. Didn't put my engine covers on. Wah, right? But normally they do. They're very good about all that. Put those books back. There we go. There's that. It's something we got to do. I'll tell you a real gotcha about here. I got to unchock it. But you look at the ramp, you think it's pretty flat. I had the battery hooked up and everything, but I didn't have the parking brake set one time. And I kicked the chock, started to get in, and the plane started rolling. I was like, I don't think that this is really doesn't look like there's any incline to this at all, but apparently there is. So, word to the wise, don't unchock it unless the brakes are set. Oh, and here's another, they didn't have to take this all the way off. Not to be bitching, but it makes it sometimes tricky to get back on. There we go, we're on. Alright, and at a bare minimum, I'm always going to check my oil because I'm going to start the engines. Alright. Check the oil. Check the Earl. Earl is good. Put this back. And what we're going to do is get in. You will not have any brakes unless you turn on the battery, right? Because they're electrically actuated. There's a hydraulic pump that pumps the pressure up for the brakes. Without the battery on, you ain't gonna hear you're not gonna have a charge on the accumulator. So anyways, let's get up in here. Remove this little safety tag thing they put in here. That's kind of their cover your butt kind of thing. Let you know that they may have messed with stuff. And make sure that you can hear that wee. That is the pump. Come on, set the parking brake. Alright, so we got the brakes. I'll turn that off while I go unchock it. Unchocky. And they don't have the control lock on either. It would have been nice if they put the control lock on. Especially when it was so windy yesterday. Alright, let's get rid of our, oh look, paw prints. We got, oh, that ain't coming out. His engine cover flopped off. Little M2. There you go, look at there. That's our old M2. Look at that big handprint too. Oh, wheels are dirty. Yeah, I need to get me a little creeper. We put the engine covers on. All right, just being nosy. That M2 is our old M2 that we sold to Carmine, and he's got his name on it. Nice. All right. Seats are good. Oh, we've been sitting in this seat. All right, everything looks good back here. Let's climb aboard. Ooh, all right, here, all right. All right, we got 24 volts. We're gonna start the right one first. Got rotation of N1. At 42%, starter should disengage. It did. We'll let our amps drop. We'll let it stabilize.
Pause system test. Okay.
Put on the headset. Hello, hello. Ground citation 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Station 300 Juliet, what's the units program there?
It's 300 Juliet Whiskey. We're over here at the service center, the Cessna service center, like to reposition to the FBO.
Station 0 Juliet, Sierra, taxi via Charlie, Mike 1, hold short, runway 23 left.
Charlie, Mike 1 will hold short of 23 left, and it's 300 Juliet Whiskey. I'll push. All right, thanks for watching.